Hello learners! Welcome to my math tutorial videos. This is Teacher Noel na handang tumulong sa inyo para mapabilis ang mga math problems niyo. At sa araw na ito, ang ating pag-aaralan ay tungkol sa property of addition and property of multiplication. Kaya, kung mga learners, handa na kayo, tara na at simulan na natin. Unang pag-aralan ay ang addition property of multiplication. In addition of property of multiplication, meron tayong tinatawag na addition zero property. Addition zero property states that the sum of any number and zero is the number. So for examples, 765 plus 0, the answer is 765. So, kung mapapansin nyo, any number na i-add natin sa 0, ang sagot ay the same number. So, 765 plus 0, the answer is 765. Another one, 0 plus 345 equals 345. So again, addition zero property states that the sum of any number and zero is the number. Commutative property in addition. Commutative property in addition that changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. Examples, 234 plus 156 equals 156 plus 234. So, titingnan natin dito mga learners kung kahit balik rin natin yung numbers o ipapalit natin yung numbers dun sa kabila ay hindi daw magbabago yung answer o yung sum. So, let us check. 234 plus 156. So, we are going to add that number. So, 234 plus 156, the answer is 90 equals 156 is 390. So, another one, 45 plus 23 equals 23 plus 45. So, let us check if the answer is the same. So, 45 plus 23, the answer is 68. Then, 23 plus 45, the answer is 68. So, again, commutative property said that the addends does not change the sum, or the order of the addends does not change the sum. Associative property in addition. Associative property in addition states that the grouping of the addends does not change the sum. So, ang kaibahan po ng commutative at saka associative, dito sa associative, mapapansin mo, they have a words is grouping. So, ibig sabihin, nakagroup yung problems. Unlike dito sa commutative, wala tayong makikitang nakagroup. So, associative property. So, 23 plus 56 plus 12 equals 23 plus open and close parenthesis 56 plus 12. So, let us check if the answer is the same. So, 23 plus 56, the answer is 79. Plus, baba po natin yung 12 equals 23, bring down, plus 56 plus 12, the answer is 78. Now, we are going to add 79 plus 12, the answer is 91. Then, 23 plus 78, the answer is 91. So, kung mapapansin po natin, yung problem or yung answer niya ay hindi nagbabago kahit i-group po natin siya. Another one, 12 plus 14 plus 11 equals 12 plus 14 plus 11. So, let us check. So, 12, bring down po natin muna yung 12, then plus 9. So, add 14 plus 11, the answer is 25. equals 12 plus 14, the answer is 26. Bring down 11. Then add rather 12 plus 25, the answer is 37. So equals, so let us check 26 plus 11, the answer is 37. So the answer is the same. So again, associative property in addition state that the grouping of the addends does not change the sum. After the addition, we proceed to multiplication. Multiplication properties. First is multiplying by one property, or sometimes it's called identity property of multiplication. So multiplying by one property states that the product of any number and 1 is the number. So for example, 567 times 1, so of course the answer is 567. So another one, 345 times 1, the answer is 345. Another one, 1 times 12, the answer is 12. So again, multiplying by one property or identity property of multiplication, that the product of any number and 1, the answer is the same. Next, kinds of properties is commutative properties or commutative property. Commutative property in multiplication states that the order of the factors does not change the product. So for example, 56 times 23 equals 23 times 56. So let us check if what is the answer. So i-multiply po muna natin ang 56 times 23. So the answer is 1,288 equals 23 times 56. The answer is 1,288. Ayan. So another examples, 87 times 12 equals 12 times 87. So let us check. 87 times 12. The answer is, that is 1,144 equals 12 times 87. The answer is 1,044. So we can see learners that any order, or we order the numbers, factors that not change the product. So kahit balik rin po natin yung number, kahit ilagay natin yung right side, ilipat natin sa left side, ang sagot pa rin po noon ay hindi magbabago. The same pa rin. So yun ang sinasabi sa commutative property in multiplication. Another one is associative property in multiplication. Associative property in multiplication states that the changing of the factors does not change the product. So for example, 12 times 45 times 23 equals 12 times 45 times 23. So napapansin nyo learners, yung number natin ay nililipat-lipat lang natin o hinihiwalay. Pero hindi natin pwedeng baguhin yung given number. Kasi once po na binago natin yung given number, magbabago din po or mag-iiba yung number. So let us check. 12 times 45. So the answer is 540 times, bring down po natin yung 23 equals 12, bring down, times 45 times 23, the answer is 1,035. So 1,035. So check po natin. 540 times 23, ito po muna yung ating i-multiply. So the answer is 12,420. So equals po. So then 1,035 times 12. So the answer again is 12,420. So the answer is this same. Another examples, 23 times 10 times 13 equals 23, close and open parenthesis muna, 23 times 10 times 13. Okay, let us check. So, ibaba muna natin yung 23. So, 23 times, so 10 times 13, that is 130, equals 23 times 10 is 230 times 13. So, let us check what is the final answer. So, 23 times 130, the answer is 2,990 equals 230 times 13. The answer, of course, is 2,990. So, hindi pwede magka-iba yung answer kasi po hindi po yun the same or equivalent. So, dapat ang answer is the same. So, that is associative property in multiplication. So, the changing of the factors that not change the product. Okay, another. Distributive property in multiplication. In the other books, this is called distributive property in multiplication over addition. So, distributive property states that multiplying the sum of the two numbers by the common factors is the same as the sum of the products of both addend multiplied by the common factors. So, nasasabi natin common factor, ito po yung nasa labas. For example, 34 times. Open and close parenthesis po. 12 plus 13. Kaya tinawag yung over addition kasi pinaghalo ng addition. Equals 34 times 12 plus 34 times 12. So, paano po nangyari yung ganito? So, using the common factor po, i-distribute po from the words distributive, i-distribute po natin yung 34 sa bawat given number. So, that is 34 times 12. So, ito na po yun sila. Plus, ito po yung given. 34 ulit, then times 13. So, ito po. So, i-check po natin kung tama po yung sagot. So, ibaba po muna natin yung 34 times, then 12 plus 13, that is 25. Equals, so ito na po, 34 times 12. The answer is, so 34 times 12, that's 408. Plus, 34 ulit, 34 times 13, the answer is 442. So, add po natin. Check po muna natin 34 times 25. So, the answer is 850. Then, 408 plus 442. So, the answer is, of course, 850. So, ibig sabihin, the answer is the same. So, another one, 5, we are using a small number, times, close or open and close parenthesis, 10 plus 14 equals, so we're going to distribute 5 times 10, that is 5 times 10, plus another one, 5 times 14. Then, bring down 5, ito yung 5, times, so add po natin 10 plus 14, the answer is 24. So, equals, multiply natin 5 times 10, the answer is 50, plus 5 times 14, the answer is, again, 5 times 14, the answer is 70. So, just add 5 times, or just multiply 5 times 24, the answer is 120, equals 50 plus 70, the answer is 120. So that is the meaning of distributive property in multiplication. So sa pamagitan ng common factors, i-distribute po natin sila doon sa common numbers or sa common sum para makuha natin yung tinatawag na given or yung final answer. So, of course, the final answer is the same. Okay, mga learners? Ayan, mga learners, hanggang dito na lang po. Sana may natutunan kayo. Sa ulit, this is your teacher Noel, nagsasabi,